Good day, folks. Here we are. I have another problem with this old McCulloch 1996 chainsaw. As you can see, to buy a replacement oil container to hold the oil, it's very difficult to find because this chainsaw is so old. To find a replacement online is very difficult. So what happened was, we had the cap here, and this thing that it screws onto broke loose, as you can see. So of course there's nothing to screw onto, right? You can't use this chainsaw if you don't have a cap to hold the oil in. So I looked online everywhere trying to find a replacement for this oil container, and I can't find one. So my solution is I looked at my Husqvarna 445 here, and I noticed the cap on here. It's a male cap that screws in, and that's how it works, whereas the other one is the opposite. And so what I did, I measured the diameter of this hole here, and I went over onto this one, the McCulloch chainsaw, and I tried to get the diameter of this hole as much as possible. So anyways, I purchased a Husqvarna cap, and they come in twos. And what I did was, I don't know if you can see this, I placed one cap, or one ring, in here, and it can't go anywhere. And I put the other cap on in here, and then what you do, you screw this cap, and it also has another rubber ring here, and you screw it on. Like so. And it seems to hold. So I have oil in it right now, and when you tip it on its side, it's not leaking any oil. So I don't know if anybody has these old chainsaws, but hey, it is holding the oil. And as you can see, the chain it's got oil going in here. So we're gonna fire it up and see if it still works. And give her a go. And choke. So there you have it. It seems to be holding the oil. So I hope that helps someone out if they have a McCulloch chainsaw like this. You got to be careful. Just cut the same diameter so that this Husqvarna cap can screw in and hold the oil in with the two rubber O-rings, and that should be okay. But hey, she still runs, Chainsaw is no good if it can't hold its oil and it leaks all over the place. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped somebody out. This chainsaw can still be used. We'll see you on the next one.